What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Object Oriented. So in this video I will show you how you can fix uh, structured data issues and how you can add new structured data into your WordPress website. So if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So without wasting your time, just do it. So you need to go back into your WordPress dashboard, and here you need to find plugin section and click on add new plugin. And here you need to find a plugin named structure data. Actually you can type simple schema and it will automatically fetch the plugin. So here we go, you need to install this plugin, schema and structured data for WP and AMP. So if you are using an AMP version into your website, then this plugin um, is easy to work with AMP, so you don't need to worry about anything. Just you need to click on this install now button, and if you are facing any error in this section, breadcrumbs and any type of error regarding structures, schema or breadcrumbs, then you can easily fix these errors by just simply installing this one plugin. Just click on activate button, then just wait for some seconds, and here you can see structured data into your navigation. Just click on settings, and in the settings you need to follow these steps. If you have about us page, then you need to set this about according to your about us page. Currently I don't have an about us page, so I am leaving this section as it is. If you have contact us page, then you can set the contact us page. Then you need to click check these all options. Actually just click on schema type, blog posting, news article, web page. So my website is basically for blog posting, so I'm just selecting this one, and then check this breadcrumbs box. Here you want to exclude the categories, then you can also do this. Include parent category according to your requirements. So site navigation menu, this is important. My site navigation is primary menu, so I selected primary menu. Then click on save button, and in AMP section you can also set your structured data for AMP version. Just check this box and click on save button, and there are some other options as well according to your requirements. You can check these all options if you want. I'm just leaving as it is. So for me everything is fine, and for my requirements I just wanted to check these boxes. You can select everything according to your requirements. So all this is all it. You can actually fix all the things by just following these simple steps. So see you in the next video. Before leaving, just click on subscribe button, and see you in the next video.